is a research-based learning? Research-based learning, or RBL, consists of a framework that helps to prepare students to be lifelong inquirers and learners. The term research is here defined as a way of thinking about teaching and learning. Research-based teaching means that students carry out research in their courses independently. This helps to internalize and practice research conducts and methods, skills such as formulating a precise question and also monitoring a research process. Students attain abilities in dealing with uncertainty, independence, and organizational skills. Students use multiple resources, materials, and texts in order to explore important, relevant, and interesting questions and challenges. They develop communication skills through writing and discussion.
Benefits of research-based learning. So, let us explore the potential benefits of research-based learning for students. First is motivation. Students report that they are often inspired by lecturers whom they perceive to be experts in their field and who convey their enthusiasm for the subject. Second, as actively learning students tend to learn most when they are actively involved in developing their knowledge. The third is skills development and through research-based learning. So students can develop the intellectual skills of critical analysis and also valuable transferable skills such as group work, time, and resource management.
There are 5 stages of research-based learning. A. The students are able to identify and clarify issues, questions, challenges, and puzzles. A key component of research-based learning is the identification and clarification of issues, problems, challenges, and questions for discussion and exploration. The learner is able to seek relevancy in the work they are doing and to become deeply involved in the learning process. B. Find and process information. Students are tasked with searching for finding, closely reading, processing, and using information related to the identified issues and questions from one or more sources. As they seek out resources and read information and then organize, classify, categorize, define, and conceptualize data. And in the process, they become better readers. Letter C. Think critically and creatively. Students are provided with the opportunity to use the research information to compare and contrast, interpret, apply, infer, analyze, synthesize, and think creatively. D. Apply knowledge and ideas and draw conclusions. Students use what they have learned to draw conclusions, complete an authentic task, summarize results, solve problems, make decisions, or answer key questions. And lastly, communicate results. Students communicate results of the research activity in a number of possible ways, such as through a written research report, a persuasive essay, a book designed to teach younger students, a math problem solution, a plan of action, or a slide presentation to members of the community.
So we, teacher, also have body parts. We have the brain to think critically and to think creatively. We have the eyes to see individual needs, to see their strengths of students. We have the ears. Of course, we have to listen our students on what are their ideas and concerns. We have the hands to guide students and show the right path on it. We have the heart. Of course, we have to love our students regardless of who they are, who truly they are. And we have the mouth to speak the truth, discuss knowledge, and speak the wisdom of the students. We have the faith to walk the students, explore the surrounding, gather new information, gather new learnings, everything. And we have the nose, breathe deeply, relax. If they feeling stressed, they feeling pressured, just have to say they need to relax.
In a research-based learning classroom, teachers often act more like a coach, guiding students as they develop questions and problems, helping students to find, read, sort, and evaluate information, giving students the opportunity to draw their own conclusions, and providing the time and the opportunity for students to communicate results. Finally, one of the most important components of a successful research-based learning program is the ability to help students and apply this approach consistently by providing them with research-based opportunities for learning. Thus, students are encouraged to bring in additional materials and resources to help the class understand a topic, choose and complete projects and performance tasks as part of their units of study, and discuss issues using evidence from sources of information. The classroom climate and environment continually encourage students to express their opinions, problem solve, and think at higher levels.
Now let us discuss about the student outcomes. What may the things that a student can achieve in the process? First, student involvement and engagement, ownership of question. Second, learn research and note-taking skills. Learn how to read for understanding and key information and ideas. Another, learn to detect misinformation to be more creative, think outside the box, think logically, and write effectively. Learn to synthesize and summarize, write and organize information, use problem-solving skills, complete tasks and projects. Lastly, learn to make presentations, communicate results orally, and write and organize papers. Significant outcomes occur when this approach is utilized over time. Learning how to search for and find reliable information and resources is a skill that is important for a lifetime of learning. Reading many different kinds of texts strengthens reading skills and builds vocabulary. Thinking skills are developed as students classify, organize, and synthesize information. Habits of mind, such as perseverance and resilience, are strengthened through long-term projects. Writing skills are developed through note-taking, reflection activities, and many different types of writing tasks. Finally, students are able to learn the difference between reliable and unreliable information, ideas, and resources. A key need in today's world with so much misleading and erroneous information.